In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a rectangle in AutoCAD. We'll keep it simple and clear, and by the end, you'll be confident creating rectangles using two common methods, the rectangle command and the line or polyline tools. Let's start with the quickest option, the rectangle command. In the command line, type rectangle and press enter. AutoCAD will prompt you for a first corner. Click anywhere in your drawing to set that starting point. From here, you have two choices. If you know the exact size you need, type the width and the length. You can do this by typing the width, then a comma, then the length, and pressing enter. AutoCAD will build the rectangle from your first corner using those exact dimensions. This is ideal when you're working to precise measurements and need a clean, accurate result right away. If you don't need exact numbers, simply move your mouse to preview the shape. As you move the cursor, you'll see the rectangle stretch from the first corner. Click again to set the opposite corner. A helpful tip here is to keep your cursor aligned horizontally and vertically from the first corner so the sides remain perfectly straight. Watch the dynamic input or status bar to get a sense of the size you're creating as you move. Now let's look at the second approach, drawing a rectangle using the line or polyline tool. This is useful when you're sketching or when you prefer full control of each segment. Select the line tool, click to place the first corner, then move your cursor horizontally to place the second corner and click. Move vertically for the third, back horizontally for the fourth, and finish by clicking the starting point to close the shape. If you prefer, use the polyline tool instead. It works the same way, but creates a single connected outline, which is easier to select and edit later. Either way, you're clicking four corners to complete the rectangle, defining each edge as you go. To recap, the rectangle command is fast and precise. Type rectangle, press enter, pick a first corner, and either enter width and length or click the opposite corner. The line or polyline method gives you manual control. Pick the first corner, then click around the perimeter until you return to your starting point. Choose the method that best matches your workflow and the level of precision you need. That's all you need to draw a rectangle in AutoCAD. Practice both approaches a few times, and you'll quickly find the one that fits your style.